Fajr is our daily test of our iman. Fajr is the thermometer of your iman. Because at that time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the mu'adhin say, Salat better than sleeping. And my desire is saying, sleeping is better than Salat. So there's a struggle, there's a battle between my desire and my deen. Whoever wins, that's you. If you went back to sleep, you're a person that follows their desire. If you struggled and you get up and you prayed, no matter how hard it is, Allahu Akbar, that's a great start. But if you constantly miss Fajr, it's a problem. Why? Because Allah is the master. He ordered all these ibad to pray at a certain time. So when I pray, when my master tells me to pray, that means I am a abd. But when I pray, when I want to pray, I am the master, and we are not the master.